Hey friends, if you wish to change the Alt plus Tab settings on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Multitasking. Now you will have this option here which says Desktops. When you expand it, there's an option which says Show All Windows. When I press Alt plus Tab, now you can select it on all desktop or only on the desktop that you're using. Okay, so this is how you can change the setting. And there's another setting which says show tabs from apps when snapping or pressing Alt plus Tab. So you can choose how many tabs you want. Is it 5? Is it 3? How many? Okay, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.